gates to keep you awake. Shake you, you know what I mean? Vibration, sensation. Welcome, man, to the world, you know? Let me a tip now, let me a dollar or something. You know, work, man. Show all the guns.
What is selling?
I see Prince there and Princess. Welcome! Don't take care of them, you know, don't make nothing happen to them. Yeah, man, our future president and prime minister. Yo, take it easy now, Papa. Man, them can go on like an holiday, everybody are cool. God bless Jenna.
Hi guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. Say hello, Stella.
Mama.
Yes, baby. Say hi.
Mama.
Say hi. Say hello. Say hello. You guys, we are in Ocho Rios with the crew. Everybody behind me and in front of me. We are at a place called Blue Hole. I get to understand that it's I think it's like a river where the water is very blue, and it should be a fun and adventurous day. Baby's behind me with everybody else, so we're actually walking now to go to the entrance of this place. So let's see what the day has to offer. So let's go. You guys, we're about to head somewhere in this water, so let's see how that goes. The makeup running.
Right? Running?
Stone slippery, Shan. Be careful. You put him in the water. Go, Tyler. Ooh. Splash, splash, splash. Watch Tyler hooking up his foot. Splash, splash, splash! Watch Tyler. Tyler having fun. Yes, hi. Tyler is dead with laughter right now. He's having so much fun. Whoa. Tyler, splash, splash. Splash, splash. Splash, splash. Princess! When it's shallow, 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 I'll go in. Jen, you don't want to wet me right? Ah! They're trying to wet me, I'm not going in the water. When it's shallow, I'll go in. When it catch me. Really? Well, when I'm coming back. Swim, I can't swim, that's why I'm not going in the water. Tyler, you look like you're shaking already. He's having so much fun. Oh my God! Can I go with me? Mama!
Money, you get them honey. Warm. Mama, what?
been walking to reach to this jump off point where you see people line up the jump off on that string thing. You're going to do it, Kissy? Oh my God. So she's gonna jump off up there so soon, but we're still walking. But we're going up there so and come back first. So we're going up by this falls up here to see if we can climb to go over there. But it's been really fun. It's been really a good experience climbing this. It reminds me a little bit of Dundura Falls. The only thing is the journey is a little bit longer, but it looks super fun and really cool. There's a lot of people up here. A lot of people.
Il move too fast. See the one with the baby. Hi, Kellan, I have you now. Get us on. Not this one. Yeah, I see it.
In Ocho Rios and we're actually at food stop right now. We're super hungry. Everybody's here chilling. We already got our order, but everybody else is waiting for theirs. I got jerk chicken, of course, and we've got jerk pork because that's what he's super love. We got festival and fries. Let me show you guys what we got. So this is mine, jerk chicken and festival. Baby's having jerk pork, more festival and fries, and this was red pea soup that I already drank. And Tyler is here having fries. Hey, here. There you go. So yeah, you guys, we're actually grubbing right now. It was a really good day. We had so much fun. So we're gonna eat and then we're gonna head back to Kingston. Your Tyler, mama. Go Jenny. Hey, go Jenny. Hey, go Jen. Go Jen. Watch up.
Hi guys, so this is the end of the day. I hope you enjoy watching today's vlogs. We have a lot of fun, we can say that. Climbing the river, eating, spending time with the family and friends, and no, that was really a very good day. And I hope you enjoy watching today's vlogs.
So all of what Babe says, you guys, it has been an amazing day. We had so much fun in Ocho Rios, climbing the river, eating the food, the journey and all that. But we're back home now and Tyler he's feeling a little bit hot. He's not feeling too well to me, my instinct. So just put him to bed, give him some medicine. So we're just gonna go ahead and end the vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoy watching. I'm still in swimsuit, I'm still all messy because I'm just gonna jump straight into editing tomorrow's vlog so you guys can have an amazing vlog up as per usual. So thank you guys for always watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.